Hello fellow travelers and welcome back to our Big's Adventure. My name is Cynthia and today we're doing a meal prep and a what's for dinner. So if you're ready, press the like button and let's get to work.
On Saturday night, our neighbor gave us some gorgeous fish. It's brim and speck, so I made some gluten-free fish nuggets with sweet potato fries.
It is time to get back on track. I feel much better from the oh my crud and from the surgery, so it's time to do videos like I used to. Here's my menu plan for the week. On Monday, I'm having fish with turnips and beets in the air fryer. That sounds amazing to me. Mr. Biggs is gonna have some spicy rice with pork sausage that I can in 2019. Then on Tuesday, we're gonna have big salads. Yum, I've got some lunch meat, bacon, eggs, cheese. We're gonna make some big, delicious salads. That sounds amazing. On Wednesday, I'm gonna have these turkey sausages. You guys know, whoops, those aren't turkey sausages. Oh well. I'm gonna have these cheddar broads and Mr. Big's gonna have a chicken breast and I'll probably do that on my grill skillet or something. I'll grill it for him. Some loaded baked mashed potatoes and some Brussels sprouts in the air fryer. Yum. On Wednesday. And on Thursday, we're gonna have green beans, turnips, and ham. I haven't pulled the ham out of the freezer yet because there's no need to. Look at these gorgeous turnips that my father-in-law gave me from his garden. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna process all of these during my meal prep today, mash them and put them in the freezer so that I have mashed turnips whenever I want. And there it is. There's everything pulled out of the pantry. Tonight we're gonna have venison stew. I canned this venison in 2020, so it needs to get used up. Make a nice like venison stew, put it in the crock pot, and I'm done. I don't really have to heat up the house this week. It's starting to get hot in Florida, and I do not want to heat up my house. And for recovery meeting this week, I'm making some butterscotch oatmeal chip cookies. Doesn't that sound amazing? I'm gonna make oatmeal raisin cookie recipe and substitute the raisins for butterscotch chips. To me, that just sounds super homey and yummy.
For lunch on Sunday, I took the Brussels sprout scraps and made a small Brussels sprout salad, and we had leftover fish nuggets. On Sunday evening and Monday for lunch, we had venison stew. It was thick and rich and delicious. Did you know that March 6th is National Oreo Cookie Day? Of course, Mr. Biggs and I celebrated with a package of gluten-free double stuffed Oreos. On Monday night, Cookie Lou looked on longingly at my plate of peas, sweet potatoes, and turnips with fish. I found this can in my prepper pantry from April of 2021. I put that in Mr. Big's beans and spicy sausage and rice, and he loved it. Tuesday was those big salads. They were amazing. It was such a nice treat with that bacon, super salty. Wednesday, nothing super fancy, mashed potatoes, sausage. Mr. Biggs had some chicken and Brussels sprouts in the air fryer. It was a great meal.
It is Thursday night, and what's for dinner is ham, green beans, and mashed turnips. This looks amazing. It smells really good. I'm missing some Leanne from Mennonite Farmhouse cranberry Christmas relish. I miss that so much. This looks amazing. Look at how pretty those French fries are. Gorgeous. That right there is a next level dinner. Look how pretty that is. You would have to pay big dollars for a burger dinner like this. I got blue cheese on mine with these awesome looking French fries, all the extras, a little lettuce to wrap the burger in. That looks great. There you go. It's Friday night. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you got something out of the video. Look how pretty those cookies came out. Woohoo! And they smell so good. Thank you again. I got flour all over me. Thank you again. And remember, everybody, life is an adventure, so enjoy your journey. Bye-bye. I'm so glad to be back. Bye-bye.